All right, I got the PlayStation 5 Slim Disc version. And we're just going to go ahead and do a quick unboxing and take a look at everything that comes with it. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. I think it just kind of slides out once it's open like this. All right. Let's open it up here. All right, first thing, you have your power supply cable. What are these? These look like the clear stands. That don't throw these away. A lot of people don't see them in the top when they first open them up. So you got your stands. Let's see. All right. We have a HDMI cable, so you don't need to buy another HDMI cable. This is a Type-C cable. And you have the really nice PlayStation controller here. All right. And I believe in here, of course, is where the actual unit is. Let's see if I can get it out of here. The unit. You got your couple, let's see, a quick start guide and a safety guide. Pack is really nice. And the PlayStation. Looks really nice. All right, so you have the PlayStation unit. There is the modular disc. All right, looks like the top's a little bit glossy. The bottom's a matte finish. So everything that it comes with, of course, the PlayStation unit, the PS5 Slim Disc version. Comes with an HDMI cable. It comes with a USB-C or a Type-C cable. Comes with your controller. Looks like one controller and the power supply. And you have a quick start guide. And you have a safety guide. So there it is, everything that comes in the box of the PS5 Slim Disc version.